Well, this is just an amazing day for us. You know, we've been planning for this for an awful long time. Over 700 days ago, we laid down a plan with lots of milestones that delivers Khalifa Port at 0700 hours on the 1st of September of this year. And of course, within that plan, there were some really important milestones, but none more important than today's. Today's milestone essentially is testing that all the things that we've now pretty much finished work. And it's an end-to-end test. So the ship we've got here today is the biggest ship that we've been able to take into Abu Dhabi waters to date. And it's a real commercial movement, so it's real containers. The contents will get distributed to real customers. And consequently, what we've got today is end-to-end. It'll come off the ship. It'll be handled in exactly the same way as it will be once we've opened on the 1st of September. Customs are here, food control are here, all our handling agents are here. It's for real. Mina Zayed last week was 40 years old. It's an incredible asset, and of course it's served as Abu Dhabi's principal port for those 4 decades. However, it's a traditional port. There's no automation in Mina Zayed, and from a capacity point of view, it's pretty much full. And plus the fact it wouldn't even be able to accept the ship that we've got here today. Mina Khalifa is a port for the future. It's got the latest technology, it's got the biggest ship-to-shore cranes in the world. It's deliberately been designed so we can extend it over time to be 5 times bigger than it is today. So this is a remarkable piece of infrastructure for Abu Dhabi. It's going to be a busy 44 days, but it's largely around testing, systems integration and commissioning, and probably taking the feedback out of exercises like today, because whilst it's gone very, very well indeed, I'm sure there'll be things tomorrow and the day after when we analyse every single piece of the information and the data we get from this exercise that we'll want to tune and that we'll want to tweak. And that's what operational testing is all about. And that's why we're confident now that Mina Khalifa will be ready for business on the 1st of September.